Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a simple design in VistaCreate. Create a simple design in VistaCreate is easy and straightforward. Here's a simple guide to help you get started. Open up a preferred web browser and go to VistaCreate website. Type in create.vista.com and click on enter. Log in if you already have an account or sign up for free if you are new to the platform. After logging in, you will be greeted by VistaCreate dashboard. From here, select the format that best fit your design needs. You can choose from here YouTube thumbnail, Instagram post, or any of the templates from here. You can also enter the custom dimension if you are looking for something more specific. Click on custom design and type your dimensions here. After that, click on create design button. I am going to use the template from here. Now you can customize your design from here. You can add text by going to the text menu from here. Simply click on it and click on add text button. Now select this and type your text in this box. You can adjust the size of the text box using the dots at the corner. You can also change the background color of this canvas. Go to the background tab and select the color from here. You can also insert your own images. Or you can also insert the videos from the video tab here. I am going to insert some color. You can also add elements. Click on this shape button and select the type of shape you want to add. You can see all of the shape by clicking on all shape button. And simply click on the shape and it will import in your canvas. You can change the color of this shape by clicking on this button here. You can also adjust the layers. If you need to move the element forward or backward, you can do so by right-clicking on them. Here you can see bring to front or bring to backwards. Click on it and the element will go backwards. Once you are happy with your design, click on export button. Now click on download as button. Then select the format and click on download button to download your image. As you can see that your design has been downloaded. So that is how you can create a simple design in VistaCreate. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.